How to make good day mochaccino instant cafe. Material and ingredients. 1 good day mochaccino. Glass, spoon, and hot water. Step by step. 1. Take one of good day mochaccino instant coffee, tilt it and pour the coffee into a glass. 2. Pour the hot water into a glass. 3. Mix the instant coffee and the hot water well by using a spoon. 4. Your coffee is ready to drink.